When making pan pizza, like meat lovers, in the Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, you'll need to use the pan provided with your pizza oven. Before you dress your pizza with your favorite toppings, turn the style dial to the pan setting and insert the pizza stone into the oven cavity. The time dial lights will illuminate with the recommended time for the setting, which is about 18 minutes. If you want to adjust this, just use the dial. You'll notice the temp light start to flash, which indicates that the oven is preheating. Perfect. Once the temp light stops flashing and stays on, the oven is ready for use. We'll use the pizza pan provided with your Pizzaiolo oven. Next, press the time dial to start the countdown timer. What I love about the pan style setting on the Pizzaiolo oven is how it creates that delicious crunchy base and fluffy dough with leopard spotting. You can use plenty of toppings and get the sauce almost to the edge. Another handy tip when cooking any type of pizza in your Pizzaiolo oven is to make sure the oven is preheated before placing the pizza inside. If you're cooking multiple pizzas, wait until the At Temp light turns solid before loading your next pizza. And if you're cooking different types of pizzas, be sure to start with the type that uses the lowest temperature. At the end of the cooking cycle, the oven alert will sound and the time dial lights will flash and then go out. You can now remove your pizza. Gosh, I really nailed it, didn't I? It smells delicious.